Here's a 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Very nice two-door. Aftermarket hood. A little cowl induction on there. This particular car has a 350 underneath the hood, paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Shifter on the column, with the bench seat up front. Vinyl interior. See, it's riding on BF Goodrich and slotted aluminum wheels, which are in very nice shape. Nice looking wheel in this car. Car's extremely straight. I'd call it a nice driver quality paint. Has a decent luster to it. Check out the interior here. Like I said, vinyl bench. Interior's in nice shape. Carpeting, dash all the way around. Nice running car too. We'll get around to the other side and start it up so you can hear it. Always fires right up. Has a nice little idle to it. Nothing too crazy as far as cam or anything like that. Trunk is very solid in this car. Car came out of Kansas, so seems to be a very solid car. If you want to check out the underside pics, the trunk, interior, engine bay, any of those pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down this side, see how straight it is also. Nice fit and finish to the panels. Slip around here so you can check out the driver's side and fire it up so you can hear it. Door cards both in nice shape. Check out the carpeting. Dash. Odometer reads 66,000 miles. Can't confirm or deny that as original. The car's obviously been gone through since then. Turning the key, starts right up. Gas gauge works. Little aftermarket stereo put in there. Some aftermarket gauges for volts, water temp, oil pressure. Listen how nicely this thing idles. Headliner, all in good shape. Slip around to the back. See how nice that door closes. Nice little rumble out of that 350, but nothing crazy. Like I said, check out the underside pics, interior, still pictures of the engine bay, trunk. Those can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you'd like to know more, have any questions, like to inquire about transportation or how you can get this car to you, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Nice little 1971 Chevrolet Nova. 350 under the hood, automatic transmission.